Oh, so the other day we looked at a pair of Apex sunglasses, which I actually really quite like. Actually, more than I thought I was going to like, but they fit really good. Fantastic. But the glasses that I use a lot nowadays, especially when I'm traveling, are actually the Ray-Ban Metas. These fine folks right here. Yes, Ray-Ban Metas. You guys know the ones, right? But the issue for me is that, of course, I got these at Costco, and they really only had one option. It was like the matte lenses with the, I don't know, dark tinted lens, which is fine, right? Fine, it's good. But the issue is that I like to film stuff, right? This is filming, and I like to film stuff like maybe I'm going out for dinner, or I'm walking through the mall, or I'm walking through a Walmart, or I'm walking through wherever it is, and I look like a goofus. Yeah, a goofus, because I'm wearing sunglasses in the middle of the store or at night, whatever, right? So I actually reached out to these guys here, Apex lenses. What that's what they're called? Pretty sure that's what they're called. And they again send me a pair of sunglasses, but also send me some replacement lenses for the actual Ray-Bans. So they have replacement lenses for all kinds of glasses. So we're doing it with the Ray-Bans, but you can replace them with whatever. And I don't know if there's just one lens at each or if they sent me two different kinds of lenses. I'm kind of hoping that it's two different. But one of them is transition lenses. So they'll go, of course, dark when it's bright out, and they'll go light when it's dark out. So fantastic. Plus, they sent this, so you can get these. I think this may have came more with the sunglasses, the little strap for your sunglasses, which is cool. And they sent this little cleaning cloth with a little cleaning bottle of spray, lens cleaner. Yeah, win, right? All looks fantastic. And then we get our lenses. Oh boy. So I like the fact that they came in these nice little cases. That's all right. Let's just see. So, is there two lenses or one lens? I'm guessing one. No, there's two lenses in there. So I got this one looks like a mirrored. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And this one looks like I'm guessing the actual, maybe the actual transition. Yeah, I'm guessing that's the transition because those look clear now because they're in the dark. So let's try this. So first off, from what I've seen, all you have to do is kind of just, I'm gonna put a cleaning cloth down here so I don't scratch the lenses when they pop out of the glasses. As far as I know, we just kind of push in one of the corners, right? So just kind of figure out, there it goes. Oh, that's it. That's all. I just right in, push from the back, right? The face part, and you push out this way. Yes, right? And I just push from this corner. So same thing over here. I'm just gonna kind of put that down and just kind of get in that corner. Yeah, that's it. Let it come. Make sure you have a cloth down. And again, I can use now this to actually, maybe I could wear them like this. I should have just thought of that. People are gonna be like, oh, he's just got clear glasses on. No, I don't. I'm that guy now. Anyways, let's try these ones first because I'm curious. I'm pretty sure this is like a blue mirrored. I don't even know if Ray-Bans come with like a blue mirrored, but they are now. Okay, so they're in. Now, bear with me. They're dirty, right? So it's best, again, to push them out this way and then put them in that way, right? So you want to make sure that they're going in and coming out from the same direction, kind of important, right? So that the lenses themselves can kind of flex a little bit when they're going in. But I have to say, just by looking at them, again, these may be a little smudgy right now, but remember the these, right? Versus these. Yeah, those are nice. Now I'm like, I'm down with the ice blue kind of color with that. Oh, these? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I like these for sure. All right. I kind of don't want to take them out now. Anyways, but I have to show you the other ones. So we're going to just pop these back out again. So same idea, right? Just kind of get them in that area. Try not to bust your own glasses. There we go. Same idea from a corner, right? Just kind of, you feel like you're going to break them, but you're not, okay? You're not. You're not. And then same idea for taking these ones. Just kind of make sure which side goes which. Yes, like this. Again, from the back side. Just kind of get them into place a little bit. Figure out where they're going. And then you're just gonna kind of squeeze them into place. Yes? I find that it's best if you work on the top first, just to kind of get them in the top area, and then work around to the bottom. It's kind of, there we go. See, and then they pop right in. If you come from the bottom, I find just because the top of the lens is stronger probably than the bottom. So kind of come in from the top up this area. So just kind of get this in there, right? Once that's in, then you gotta just knot that, right? But to get them into place, there we go. That should be better, right? And so we just, there, perfect. Excellent. Excelente. So now we have transition lenses, ready? And you should see these start to darken a bit. I would think they should start to darken. Are they? Yeah, they're darkening, right? There's not going to be probably crazy dark, but they were clear before. So I can't really see them. But I do this, right? Do this. They should. Yeah, there's no like, the nice thing is there's like a, they darken to an amount so they keep the same kind of level of brightness in your vision. So I have like cycling glasses that I use that kind of have the same technology in them. So they never get like dark, but you always kind of have the same level of brightness in your day, I guess what you're seeing, which I really like, right? So I could wear these in a restaurant and not feel like a complete goofus, you know? And they install really easy. And if I ever need to, I could be bringing these along with me and then just pop, little clean, off to the races. Yeah. These are, I'm bringing these lenses for sure with me on vacay. Oh yeah. These are my vacation glasses. Ready? Nice. All right, guys, I'm going to leave links down to these. If you get lenses from somewhere else, at least you know how to change the lenses. But if you're looking for lens changes, check out these ones because pleased, very much so. All right, guys, links down below, and I'll see you guys next video. Later.